I told many things on that video that will help this video to get in suggested videos and YouTube recommendations. Also, this is my first video on a channel with 0 subscribers. This video is getting views because of my experience on YouTube algorithm. Stay with me to learn secrets about YouTube algorithm and also know how to grow on YouTube in right way. YouTube algorithm is now so strong with the help of AI that it can easily identify what is inside your video. Like if you upload a video of your dog and you wrote in title that you are playing with your cat, the algorithm can easily identify that. It will recommend that video to the people that loves to watch dog related videos. It can also recognize your voice, like if you are Brian G. Johnson and you create a new channel and you use your voice on that channel videos, most likely YouTube will recommend those videos to Brian G. Johnson all channel viewers. Now why I use Brian G. Johnson as an example, I could use Mr. Beast. Millions of YouTubers say Mr. Beast on their videos, but there are few people that use this YouTuber name. Also Brian G. Johnson create videos on how to grow on YouTube, so this video will go to his subscribers recommendation. After uploading more than 500 videos on YouTube and experimenting many things, I learned those things about YouTube algorithm. I will make a different video on YouTube algorithm. Here is another example. There are many people that have 20 to 30 subscribers and they capture a video of a celebrity and that video goes viral overnight. That is because YouTube algorithm detects that there is a celebrity in that video and algorithm sends that video to the fans of that celebrity. There are many secrets I know about YouTube algorithm. I will tell you those things in a separate video.